happening, brother? How you doing, man?
My earliest memory of Mary is she's always been in my life, always around us.
Our families all grew up together. My youngest brother, Michael, and Mary are of the same age.
She was outgoing, always into fashion. She used to like make clothes. I remember that, turning pants into skirts.
My name's Daniel Cosby. I never had a strong relationship with Mary. We just never really clicked. She always seemed immature, very superficial.
Mary's personality, I'd use the word annoying, not friendly. She started out as a go-along to get along type of person until people learn, you know, her behaviors.
I remember the way she talked to people. She was just hard and aggressive.
Said, well, over the course of time, you would just save your money, and then on the 6th month when we have the heave offer meeting, you could just bring what you had saved.
That's part of what a church does. They give tithes, they give donations, but it escalated. People were saying that they were handing over food stamps, that they were giving debit cards and Venmoing, Apple Paying their tithes or donations to the church.
You paying tithes already, giving your 10%. And then we was doing pledges and doing these heave offerings